How do I remove a subscriber from my Snapchat account?
Hello, Snapchat users. Today we're going to tackle an important topic that many of you have been asking about: how to remove a subscriber from your Snapchat account. Whether it's because of privacy reasons or simply to maintain your friend list clean, this guide will help you take control over your Snapchat circle.
What is a subscriber on Snapchat?
Before we jump into the process, let's clarify what a subscriber means on Snapchat. Subscribers are people who follow your Snapchat account to view your stories but aren't part of your Snapchat friends. This means they can't send snaps or chats to you unless you've adjusted your privacy settings to allow this.
How to access your Snapchat friends list?
First things first, we need to find our friends list. 1. Open your Snapchat app. 2. Tap on the Bitmoji, or profile, icon in the top left corner of the camera screen. This will take you to your profile page. 3. Now, tap on My Friends to access your friends list.
How to remove a subscriber?
Now that you have your friends list open, 1. Find the person you wish to remove from your friends list or subscribers. 2. Tap on their name to open a chat with them. 3. Tap on the More icon, which is represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. 4. Select Remove Friend from the drop-down menu that appears. Remember, removing a friend will also remove them as a subscriber. They will no longer be able to view your stories unless they're set to public, nor will they be able to send you snaps or chats. And that's it, folks. You now know how to remove a subscriber from your Snapchat account. Remember, it's important to manage your digital relationships responsibly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Keep snapping!